Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about acids and bases. Acids and bases are two special kinds of chemicals. Almost all liquids are either acids or bases to some degree. Whether a liquid is an acid or base depends on the type of ions in it. If it has a lot of hydrogen ions, then it is an acid. If it has a lot of hydroxide ions, then it is a base. Scientists use something called the pH scale to measure how acidic or basic a liquid is. pH is a number from 0 to 14. From 0 to 7 are acids, with 0 being the strongest, and 7 to 14 are bases, with 14 being the strongest base. If a liquid has a pH of 7, it's neutral. This would be something like distilled water. By the way, pH stands for potential of hydrogen. There are many strong acids and bases in nature. Some of them are dangerous and used as poisons by insects and animals. Some are helpful. Many plants have acids and bases in their leaves, seeds, or even their sap. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges have citric acid in their juice. This is what makes lemons taste so sour. Our bodies use acids and bases too. Our stomachs use hydrochloric acid to help digest foods. The strong acid also kills bacteria and helps to keep us from getting sick. Our muscles produce lactic acid when we exercise. Also, our pancreas uses a base called an alkali to help with digestion. These are just a few examples of how the chemistry of bases and acids help our bodies function. Science and technology makes good use of acids and bases. Car batteries use a strong acid called sulfuric acid. Chemical reactions between the acid and lead plates in the battery help make electricity to start the car. They are also used in many household cleaning products, baking soda, and to make fertilizer for crops. Acids can have different strengths based on how many hydrogen atoms they have. Stronger acids are dangerous and should never be handled without an adult's help. Most acids have the following properties. They sour when they are eaten, can corrode, eat away at metals and turn blue metallic paper, turn red or orange on a universal indicator. A test to measure the pH of a liquid, conduct electricity. Some acids that can be found in nature are vinegar, one of the best known acids used in foods, nitric acid, used in rocket fuels, and citric acid, found in fruits like lemons, grapefruits, and oranges, lactic acid, found in sour milk products like yogurt, sulfuric acid, a thick clear liquid that can dissolve in water and melt weak substances found in batteries. An interesting fact about acids is that some of the most important and famous acids are DNA and RNA, molecules that contain genetic code of living things. Bases may be strong or weak depending upon how many hydroxide ions they release in solution. The more hydroxide ions that are released, the stronger the base. Bases have these characteristics: bitter taste, slimy or soapy feel on fingers, react with acids and make a salt solution, turn red litmus paper blue, contain metal oxides or hydroxides, soluble in water form alkalis. Strong bases may react violently with acids. An acid spill can be safely neutralized by using a mild base. Some common household products are bases. For example, lye and drain cleaners are made from sodium hydroxide, a strong base. Ammonia or an ammonia-based cleaner, such as window and glass cleaner, is basic. Other bases are cooking ingredients, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, or cream of tartar are basic, but these are not harmful and good for cooking. Interesting facts about bases. People take antacids that contain a base to help relieve heartburn. Bases can conduct electricity. A strong base that reacts well with acids is known as an alkali. Lime is a base used by farmers to help neutralize acidic soil. Bases are responsible for getting stains out of fabrics. Rubbing baking soda solution at base on the sting of an ant can help relieve the pain because it neutralizes the formic acid in the sting. Remember, acids and bases are dangerous and should never be tasted, swallowed, and handled without an adult's help. Thank you for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!